Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll cover the Advanced tab in Darkify, focusing on Custom CSS and Extras. Let's start with Custom CSS. This section allows you to add your own CSS rules to fine-tune how your site looks in both dark mode and normal mode. You'll see two separate editors, Dark Mode CSS. Anything you add here only applies when dark mode is active, so this is where you can override specific elements that don't look perfect in dark mode. In my example, I've added a dark mode class to a heading on the site, so we can clearly see the effect. When dark mode is enabled, the CSS rules in this box will apply, and you'll see the heading update instantly on the front end. Normal mode CSS works the same way, but it applies when your site is in normal light mode. So you can keep styling consistent in both modes, or intentionally make an element look different depending on the visitor's theme. A simple way to think of it is dark mode CSS equals styles for dark theme. Normal mode CSS equals styles for light theme. This gives you full control when you want to customize specific parts of your design. Now let's move to Extras. Clean up data on deletion. This option controls what happens when Darkify is removed. When enabled, Darkify will remove its saved settings data when the plugin is deleted. If you prefer to keep settings for later reinstallation, you would leave this disabled. Backup and restore settings. This section lets you quickly save your full Darkify configuration. You'll see a box containing your current settings data. Export and download. Use this to export your settings, which is useful before making major changes or when moving settings to another website. Import. If you already have a backup, you can paste it into the box and import it to restore the exact same configuration. And reset. And if you ever want to start fresh, you can reset the settings and return to a clean default state. And that's the overview of the Advanced tab, focusing on Custom CSS and Extras. These tools are especially useful when you want fine control, quick backups, or a safe way to restore settings anytime. Thanks for watching.